Ratio. The question that I'll be going through is a similar question to your workbook, page 137. The concept is on overlapping, but it is not the same question. Before we look at the question, let us understand this. The ratio of the unshaded area to the total area of triangle A and square B before the overlapping is 11 to 15. So the ratio of the unshaded area is here and here. This is the unshaded area added together. 2. The total area of triangle A and triangle B before overlapping. Okay, the total area means, this, the triangle plus the square before overlapping. You add both of these equals to 15 units, and when you add the unshaded area up, it equals to 11 units. Okay, with this, let us do our question. Triangle A overlaps with square B as shown. The ratio of the unshaded area to the total area of triangle A and square B before the overlapping is 11 to 15. Write down the ratio of the shaded area to the total area of triangle A and square B before the overlapping. Now let us look at the second sentence and try to make meaning of it. What is our first quantity? The unshaded area is 11 units. What is the second quantity? The total area of triangle A and square B before the overlapping is 15 units. What is the question asking for? It is asking for the ratio of the shaded area to the total area of triangle A and square B before the overlapping. Now, we already know that this is 15 units according to what the question gave us. So all we need to do now is to find the number of units for the shaded area. Triangle A overlaps with square B as shown. This is the overlapping part. It is shaded. The ratio of the unshaded area to the total area of triangle A and square B before overlapping is 11 to 15. The first quantity over here is the unshaded area. The unshaded area is this part plus this part, all the white parts. The second quantity is the total area of triangle A and square B before the overlapping. What does before the overlapping mean? It means like that. The total area of triangle A plus the total area of square B is equal to 15 units. Now let's put this back. What about the 11 units? The 11 units is none other than the unshaded part. So can I say that these two parts, when you add them up together, it is equals to 11 units. If you were to look at your question, this part plus this part equals to 11 units. The question says, write down the ratio of the shaded area. The shaded area was just now, it was here, to the total area of triangle A and square B before overlapping. How do I find this shaded area? Just now we saw that this triangle A plus square B is equals to 15 units. And the unshaded area is equals to 11 units. Let me take 15 units minus 11 units equals to 4 units. What does 4 unit represent? Now, if you were to take 15 units, this is 15 units, okay, minus 11 units, this is 11 units, what will you get? You will get 4 units, and 4 units equals to these two parts. And these two parts are equal because they overlap the same area. So when you have 4 units, you need to divide by 2 because these two are equal parts. And therefore, the number of units for the shaded area is equals to 2 units. So the ratio of the shaded area to the total area of triangle A and square B before overlapping is 2 to 15.